Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to another Excel video. And within this video, I am going to talk about trace precedents and trace dependence. Now, what are these? Let's say that you're working on a project and you're not quite sure of your information. Something seems off, right? Well, all you can know that is by using trace precedents. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace your information, trace your data. You're going to map this cell over here and you're going to see how you have entered your information, right? And this is really important when auditing your information as an Excel pro. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. The first thing I'm going to do is click on this cell because I want to see because this information seems off, right? This information seems off from here. So I'm going to see what I have done wrong. Click on this cell and then click on trace precedents. And then I want to click again. See that? I know that something seems off here. So as you can see, my formula is wrong, right? My formula is wrong. And in order to correct this, I'm going to redo my formula. All right, now it's looking better. So as you can see, what I have done here is that I've traced my steps, right? I've traced my steps and it showed me how I have analyzed my previous information, right? Now let's turn to the average cost per item and see if it's okay. All right, my average cost per item seems off as well too. I'm going to change that. All right, no, that seems better. So basically what I'm doing right here is I'm tracing my steps, right? I'm looking for the wrong formulas that I have inserted previously. Total inventory of items. This seems wrong too, because over here, no, it seems okay. This seems okay. Total inventory count seems okay. Let's check it. Good. Total inventory items seems good. So I have traced my entire steps. All right, good. So I've used trace precedents to see where I've went wrong with my information, right? And this is, if I use trace dependence, let's see what happens. It is basically showing me where one cell is mapped to other cells. So you can trace where one cell feeds into, basically. Again, you can see. You can use remove arrows to remove arrows when you want to remove it from trace precedents or trace dependence, for example, right? Now, if you want to see what is happening behind the curtain, you can use show formulas. As you can see, show formulas will show you all the formulas on your table. You see that? All the formulas on your worksheet. And you can use this to audit your formulas as well too. Right? You can also use error checking, and this will check for errors. So as you can see, there are no errors currently within my sheet. You can use trace precedents and trace dependence to audit your information if you are not quite sure you have done the right thing, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you again next time. Take care.